That was dangerous, don't you think that they were doing? Like, that stuff?
So what? Kids. Younger than us.
Yeah, that stuff could be dangerous, but not really, you know. You know, the stuff they were doing. We are going through the tunnel. Anybody there?
Just get here.
Do
it!
I don't want to. Not with people around.
Come on, do Skinner. Do Skinner.
Skinner!
Do Mom.
Mom! Yeah, do a better impression of, you know.
Skinner. Skinner.
Yeah, do a better impression of him, don't I?
Ouch.
Yeah.